Around an album man.
Tell my rival, are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win, we still a win. Are we still a win? Them girl keep the black thing shining. We still a win. Are we still a win? Unruly thing. We still a win. Are we still a win? Them you know.
Right here. My jewels have to pretty up. Let me pretty up, let you see. One more star right here. Yes. That look better, innit?
Look in the viewfinder, not the thing.
Yes. Look at my makeup today, my jewels. Do you like it? Anyway, my new jewels, my old jewels, my in-between jewels, and my jewels to be. It's Miss Jules B Mom again with story time part 2. I don't remember where I leave off. Where did I leave off? Oh yes, I have to run away from that man into a cab and tell the driver to drive. Drive, driver! Anyway, I couldn't take the heat because the heat was too hot in the kitchen. I couldn't stay in my area because this man seriously saying going to catch me. And my cousin was going to the school. One story into 2 stories, you know. Don't even, let me tell you, this is a disclaimer. Don't think I'm bad or I'm a hoe. But situations make me who I My cousin was going to the school in the same time, and this teacher was there. I went to their house and saw this picture. And some link up going on. I can't remember exactly how it went. Anyway, so me there, because I want to escape route, God is just sometimes things happen and God help you. And when I realized that this man really serious is gonna catch me, the next time I run away from him, it was very far, miles and miles away. It was straight to another man. I told the story, get hata. You see, you really get hata. I went to that man. Man, to say his name is P. And to be honest with you, oh my God, it was like, why did I stay down there and have all these troubles and blah blah blah? Why didn't I come here all this time? And to be honest with you, even if it didn't say movie, let me whisper it and tell you, I would have moved in because I was running from a situation. Anyway, God was so good. He says to me, oh, I can move up and blah blah blah. Oh my God, I handled that invite immediately. And I was working in the grill, and I packed my little kit and I went to Montego Bay, and I lived there for I think about 2 or 3 years to see that we were getting on and everything was, you know, really could see alright, even though it was a bit younger than me, but yeah. And from Montego Bay, you see where Miss Jules B Mom is right now. The stories them over here, not gonna talk about them yet. Let me give you a little bit of history about Montego Bay a bit. So this man, at the time, as I said, he was a teacher. The first night I went to that house, he had a house phone, and women from east, west, north and south. No, I think women, young girls. But God was so good because God sees the situation I was running from. God allowed him to tell him that it's finished. Ooh, yeah. So I just bought my kit, as I said, and I tell you something, that life, oh my God. We used to go on some sort of trips and eat some sort of food, and in no time, before we even reach that far, I had my daughter to her grandparents and I went for her, and he used to take her to school, and she used to say daddy, and he would take her to some place and tell people that he's died. Oh my God, my life was almost like picture perfect, and I was so happy, and oh my God, and in love. So in love. And oh my God, we would go all sorts of places, especially on Sundays. We would go and rent movies and all these things, because you know back in them days you haven't got cable and all them sort of things, especially where in St. James we used to live. And I'm telling you, he moved from teaching onto this place, I won't even say place called C. And there, he wasn't giving no trouble or anything, to be honest, blah, 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 blah. But then, he went and get some sort of work in a hotel. My dear child, a little things start crack up because you see the thing about me, I can see things. And I used to say, you know, me see you get a letter and the letter states blah 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 and he would deny it, blah blah blah. And some nights I was set up that I used to have this thing and read this country and western thing, and oh my God, I'll sleep and listen to these songs and wait for him to come in. And when I hear the door, oh God, the heart flip and whoop 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 whoop. You say, yes, my lover is here, Lord of mercy, I wonder what's in store. But listen, in no time I get to realize that my in love picture perfect life was about to take a little bit to twist, because you see, friends can do a lot of damage sometimes to a good relationship that you have got, because he had this friend and apparently the friend wanted this foreign woman and blah blah blah. And to me it seemed as if the friend was trying to get him involved with some woman or whatever. So this night yesterday they have some party at work and blah blah blah. The man didn't come in until much o'clock and I said, hey, what's happening? Anyway, I said to him, listen, I'm going to leave this place now, whatever, because I don't understand what's going on, because I know me see and blah blah. I know the man really did get the letter. He really did get the letter, and this man telling him to choose between she and myself. He was from America, yeah. I tell you, I can see things. Anyway, I don't know if the woman come out. I even didn't know the woman's name was some Venus. Yes, Venus, because it was a V and a planet, and I never forget Venus. And that Venus would write some letters and things, and it says that she used to come to Jamaica as well, because at the hotel, you can't go there, so I don't know what's happening. I know they blah blah blah, but you know what time he used to come in, what time he's not coming, and blah blah blah. And man is Venus, and listen, one day, Mr. B is my right here, who is she knows she's running from and what she's into, and she's not going to make nobody come and distract her or take it away. And what do you think I did? I got Miss Venus' address and I wrote Miss Venus a letter. And if you can guess what happened after that, Miss Venus had to disappear. Like what, had to disappear from the man in my era, because what? The letter stated plain and clear. So listen, if you put your foot back down our party, I come call you for my man, you're in trouble. Yes, darling. Then me dear, after that, another episode. The man ex, the grandmother and sister live same place in the same house. But the man ex and the grandmother and the sister, they were friends. I've never met this woman. So when you look one day, who is that? Ask her and me see. Now me see that. Yeah, yes. So she come to look for grandma and sister. Anyway,
Mommy, you called her Venus already, so...
No, Venus, I want America different, so you know, listen. Don't cut me conversations. Anyway, me Jules, let me continue with her, for she don't think, she not following up on my life story right here. Anyway, the woman me see, apparently she used to live there with her and establish a relationship with the grandmother and the sister. So apparently she must have borrow some slip, what we call slip, where we're in a thin clothes. So she come out and whatever. But from the way she look at me and blah blah, acting me say, wait there, yes, I like she come for more than give back slip, come like she come for contact, man. Anyways, me dear, I tell you how this thing end. Me dear Chelsea X, if you watch them very good. It's a good thing, say. I leave and come to England, because guess what? The two people went back after I leave Jamaica, and guess the biggest story and the bigger part of it. They even got married. And the woman went to America and farm work, and after, I don't think if she even turned back and say to the man, she want divorce, and she and the man divorced until the man are remarried. Yes, my dear child. And baby power, the man couldn't get the man get baby and everything. Yes, my dear. So you see, sometimes we have to watch the ex them. Bye, me Jules, new Jules, in between Jules. I love you all. Just tell me what you want. Mother and daughter talk, anything you people want, just tell me. And if you know what, story time will get bored, but if you want more stories, England stories now, tell me hot England story. Let me give you a little hint. Met this man, met another man, and that man took that man to come and see me. Like me and subscribe, and I'll give it to you. Bye.